If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification.
Okay student, before going to start ellipse, so let me show you an experiment which I have seen in my school days and I found it very interesting for ellipse. So let me do it first, then we will go for classical or mathematical model of ellipse. So for that I have taken two pen, one thread is connected between these two pen. So I will hold it like this, you can see. So this experiment you can do in your home also. Then you take a pencil, do it in such a way so that this thread can move. If it moves easily, then the curve will be nice and smooth. So you start, so okay, if you start with this way, it should move. If it is moving, then it is okay. Okay, this experiment we have seen, and I have seen it in a science lab. So what was there in that lab? So now one funny thing, this point, let me mark this point. So this is one point, this one, and this was the another point. These 2 points are there. Now one interesting thing, we see the length of these two. If my drawing was correct, then it should have been exactly same. This length is the length that we have, that thread length that we have considered. This is exactly same at between these 2 points. So now you can see at any point, that means the sum of this length, suppose you take a point now, you take a point anywhere, suppose now you take a point here, you have taken a point here, I think you can see it, you can take a point here. So if you find the distance between these 2 points and this point, what is the distance between, if I consider this is a point, so the distance is, this one is one distance and this is the another distance. So sum of these 2 distance is always the length of the thread. You go anywhere, so the distance from these 2 points is equal to the length of the thread, and the length of the thread is this one. So what was the funny thing in that lab? They have kept a carom board of this elliptical fascia and they fixed one striker at this point. Suppose this is one point, so they fixed a striker at that point and they have given you another striker at this point, which you can put and you can throw anywhere. Suppose you strike it here, so if you strike it here, it will come back and it will again strike this point. Anywhere you throw this striker from this point, it will always touch this one. By after reflection, it will touch this one. So this was the funny experiment that we have did in that science lab, and I found it very interesting. And for later stage, when I know ellipse, then I can correlate with this one. So I thought I will give you this experiment result, so it will be interesting for you or funnier for you, so that you gather some interest. You can throw anywhere this strike. Once it gets struck here at that boundary, once it gets reflected, it will come back and it will strike that fixed striker again. So I tried it in different ways. So many ways I have thrown it, and every time I saw that it is coming and going to hit this point. So I found it that's very interesting. You can also try this experiment, and you have any science lab around you. So I think this one is a standard one. In any lab you should, basic lab, science fiction lab, you can find it out. Okay, so this was the experiment. You remember this experiment, we will be using it in one of the key concepts. When we do that article, we will take this reference of this experiment. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.